Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see 2021 Kangaroo Maths paper Benjamin question number 20. Let's get started. We are solving from 2021 Benjamin Kangaroo Maths paper question number 20 here. There is a single train track between points X and Y. A train company wants one train to leave from X and one train to leave from Y at the same time daily. Moving with constant speed, it takes 180 minutes for the train to make a trip from X to Y. From X to Y, it is taking 180 minutes and 60 minutes from Y to X. And from Y to X, it is taking 60 minutes. They want to build a double track like this to avoid a crash. Where should the double track be? We need to figure it out where we can draw the double track. When the train is moving from X to Y, it is taking 180 minutes. Can we see that how many parts it has been divided into? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts it has divided into. If I divide 180 by 6, 180 by 6, my answer will be equal to 30 minutes. This shows you that if the train starts from X and it will reach to the next station here in 30 minutes. That is the meaning of this. When the train starts from Y and it goes to X, it is taking 60 minutes. Shall we divide 60 by 6? We will see that how much time it is taking. 60 by 6 is equal to 10 minutes. This shows you that when the train starts from Y and it will reach to the next station, it is taking 10 minutes only. When the train X is taking 30 minutes, the train Y is taking only 10 minutes. Can we see that where the train Y will reach in 30 minutes? So this is 10, again 10 and again 10. When the train Y will reach here, that will be covering 30 minutes. Let's point out here that the train Y reached here. In the next 10 minutes, this Y train will reach here. This will be 10 minutes again here. But for the train X, which is here, it will cover only 1/3 of this portion in 10 minutes. Here you can see that the Y train, when it will move forward towards the X direction, the train X is already on that track and they will clash with each other. This shows you that we have to make a double track at this position. Where is our answer? Our answer is here. We have to make the double track here. So this will be our answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.